In this video, I'll show you how to connect Peacock to your Google Chromecast. Step 1. Set up a Chromecast. Ensure your Chromecast is plugged into your TV and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Confirm that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input for Chromecast. Step 2. Open Peacock and select Content. Launch the Peacock app on your phone or tablet. Select the movie or TV show you want to stream. Step 3. Cast to Chromecast. Tap the cast icon in the Peacock app, usually found in the top right corner. Then select your Chromecast device from the list. Your selected content will now play on your TV. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Ciao.